The reason for suffering, it doesn't matter whatever pain or whatever thing is, it's all because of karma. It's all because of karma. So once you know that it is because of karma, when the problem comes, you are just accepting that. When you accept that thing, means that itself, you can able to get rid of that. When you said, I can accept this, means it is nothing to you. It's not a problem to you. When you are not aware of karma, things like that, when something happens, you are trying to find who is the reason for this. Who did this? Why he did this? Lots of things just keep on growing and growing and growing. So when you have the wisdom, because of that wisdom, you are getting the great gift, which is the tolerance. Okay, this is my karma. I need to accept this. So when you accept, the moment you accept, the thing is becoming very small. It's not at all a pain to anymore, because the tolerance what you have, it makes you, okay, it's a problem, I need to accept it. When you said, I am suffering, means the thing which you can't manage, that is suffering. When there is the thing which you can manage, it's not a suffering. So when you have the wisdom, it is easy to manage the things. When you are not, then it is hard to manage things. Then it takes a form as a sufferings. So the great gift of spiritual path is wisdom. It will teach everything, what is meant by this, how you need to live, what are the things you need to do, what are the things you should not, what is meant by life, what is the purpose of the birth, what is meant by divine, how to link with the divine. You will get everything. So it is the blessings, to be in the spiritual path. You need not have anything more than this. This is the ultimate thing. You can tell another example also. For example, in a village, the person who born in the village, who just grown up in the village, they knows everything. They knows everything. While he is riding a bullock cart, very far away from him, he is just seeing the thread which made out of the paddy straw. A big thing like a big rope. They twist the paddy straw and they make a big rope. So he just is looking that very far away from that. He knows it is just a rope. It's just a paddy straw. So because of that knowledge, because of the wisdom, he need not to think more than that about the paddy straw, the rope. He will keep on right. If there is some person who is very new to the town, he is coming, who never see the thing like that. When he is on the bullock cart, from very far away from him, if he saw that thing, the moment he saw, what his mind will tell? Snake. Oh, snake, big snake. So what it will do if I go nearby the snake? I don't know which snake it is. It is a king cobra or cobra. So all the things, it's already started. So the worries, it started to bring the worries in you. You are already worried about the things. When you get near, and once you realize it's not a snake anymore, then there is no worries. So once you have the wisdom will take away your worries. This is good, that's it. Then the problem becomes small, then you are empowered to control the problem. Once you know it is a paddy straw, you are not worrying. But when you are not aware of that, then it creates the fear, scare, everything. So, you all are blessed in some way. You all are in the spiritual path. Many of them not blessed to have such a great gift. In that way, you all are blessed. Just be in this path, just to learn, not to just, you don't need not to be in this path just to get the things. You will automatically, you will get. For example, if you are under the tree, when the fruits get matured, you need not to throw the stone at that. What will happen? It will fall. So you all are under the tree divinely. You will definitely get what you want. So the treasure is just be with divine. Allah bless you all.
Thank you, Amma.